Welcome to this video on network sniffing, where we will explore the anatomy of data interception and analysis at the data link layer. At its core, sniffing relies on the network interface card's promiscuous mode. By disabling hardware filters, a sniffer forces the system to process every packet within its segment, not just those intended for it. Network architecture has evolved from hubs, which broadcast all data to every port, to switches. Modern switches use MAC tables to direct traffic specifically to its destination, making passive sniffing much more difficult. We distinguish between two paradigms: passive and active sniffing. Passive sniffing is stealthy, merely observing traffic, while active sniffing involves injecting packets to manipulate network equipment, which can be detected. Sniffers operate primarily at the data link layer of the OSI model. Because network layers function independently, applications and users are often unaware that traffic is being silently copied at this lower level. The attack process, or kill chain, involves several stages: connecting to the target, reconnaissance, identifying targets, injecting malicious traffic, redirecting data, and finally, extracting sensitive information. Vulnerable protocols transmit data in the clear. Protocols like HTTP, FTP, Telnet, and others can expose user credentials, file contents, and administrative configurations if intercepted. Span ports, or port mirroring, represent an infrastructure-level feature that replicates traffic for analysis. While useful for security and diagnostics, unauthorized access to these ports poses a significant risk. Hardware analyzers work at the physical layer to capture signals without altering traffic. These high-cost tools are typically used by engineers for specialized diagnostics rather than by typical attackers. Lawful interception is a distinct practice where communication is legally intercepted by service providers for investigative purposes, strictly regulated by law to support authorized entities. In conclusion, sniffing is a neutral mechanism. The divide between malicious cyber attacks, administrative tasks, and lawful monitoring lies entirely in the intent and the authorization of the user.